Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia binti Abdul Razak, and today we would like to discuss about pressure cooker. A pressure cooker is not just a kitchen appliance, it is a fascinating example of how the physics principle come into play in our daily lives. But what exactly is a pressure cooker? And why is it relevant to physics? Here are our team members. Alright, pressure cooker first appeared in 1679 as Pepin's digester, named for its inventor, French-born physicist Denis Pepin. The cooker heats water to produce very hot steam which forces the temperature inside the pot as high as 266 Fahrenheit, which later converted to 130 degrees Celsius, significantly higher than the maximum heat possible in an ordinary saucepan. The higher temperature of a pressure cooker penetrates food quickly, reducing cooking time without diminishing vitamin and mineral content. Pressure cookers are especially useful at high altitudes where they alleviate the problem of low temperature boiling caused by reducing atmospheric pressure.
Okay, now let's talk about the traditional pressure cooker. Pressure cooking is a process that cooking food under high pressure steam or water-based cooking liquid in a sealed vessel known as a pressure cooker. This high pressure limits the boiling and create high cooking temperature which can cook food really quick. This traditional pressure cooker operate with a spring-loaded valve that are often hidden from the mechanism. This generation of pressure cooker are criticized by 2 or more pressure settings. Some of the pressure cooker are not release any steam during the operation, and instead they use a rising indicator with mark to show the pressure level. These only release their steam when the pan is open, or we can say this is a safety precaution if the heat sources is not reduced enough when the pan reaches the required cooking pressure.
Here are a few points in relating pressure cooker with thermodynamics. First thing you need to know is a pressure cooker is a thermodynamic system. And according to the definitions of thermodynamic system, a sealed pressure cooker with whistle in position is a closed system, as there is no mass that can enter or leave the pressure cooker, but heat can be transferred to it. Therefore, while heat can be permitted through the walls, mass can't. Thus, there is no work done, which is W is equals to 0. And that is why a pressure cooker is an example of the isochloric process.
Now, before you decide to buy or use the pressure cooker, you need to know its problems and or in other words, obstacles. Problem number one is lack of safety and sometimes cause accidents, like some common injuries from pressure cooker use are steam burns, contact burns, splash or spilled hot liquids, and explosion. The second problem is need to use the stove as a heating medium. It causes a lot of money because it uses gas.
So, here are the list of a few suggestions on things we can improve from the problems with pressure cookers. First off is the material. Stainless steel is a great metal to choose, especially for high pressure applications such as the pressure cooker. Like titanium, stainless steel is very strong and also have extreme ability to resist corrosion. It is capable of handling extreme conditions such as high temperatures, large amount of sunlight, and also high humidity. Also, not to mention, stainless steel are a lot more affordable compared to other strong metals such as platinum, tungsten, alloy steel, and chromium.
Pressure cookers are designed with several safety features to prevent dangerous situations caused by excessive pressure buildup and overheating. These safety features are crucial in maintaining the thermodynamic stability of the pressure cooker as well as ensuring the well-being of the users. Here are some of the key safety features found in pressure cookers. Firstly, we have bigger valve. Big valve will allow water vapor to exit the pot more efficiently and can avoid hands from being exposed to hot water vapor when opening the pot. In addition, it can release the pressure in the pot faster than a small valve. Next is heat indicator. This heat indicator function is to know the temperature in the pot, which can prevent accidents such as burns to the users. And lastly is tight lid. With a tight lid, we can prevent an explosion due to the pressure in the pot, which will lead to injuries to the buyers.
Now, despite pressure cooker has its ups and down advantages and disadvantages, but there are pressure cooker has its own cool features that might attract customers to buy that type of device. The first cool features is that the pressure cooker uses electricity as a heating medium and is easy to carry and move. The second cool feature is the pressure cooker itself has a timer that can be set and will stop after the cooking time is over. So it can guarantee your food is not overcooked or burned, if you know what I'm saying.
Next, we have target marketing. We target this product to restaurants owners and also housewives. Hence, with this spot work in the kitchen, cooking will be easier and food can be served faster. It is energy efficient, which helps you save money too. Pressure cooking retains all the nutrition of the food and thus it will be healthy eating. In addition, this appliance does not heat the kitchen. For the budget list, we have three parts, which is material cost, installation cost, and utility. Under material cost, we will have stainless steel plate, which is cost 100 ringgit. For plastic, 50 ringgit. Electric component, 150 ringgit. Rubber, 30 ringgit. And others are 2 ringgit. Next, installation cost. The installation cost for one pressure cooker is 50 ringgit. And lastly, we have utility that costs include water and electricity bills, which cost 8 ringgit. Last but not least, here are the list for the reference. That's all from us. Thank you.